how to buy Keeta token. So this token came under the symbol of KTA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going out by this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 months ago, and as you can see, this token is ranked number 4 in the base section on the screener right now. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet for that. As you can see, after that, from the top right corner, click here and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon and now paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. So after that, go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called KTA. Now after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it and now click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy like that. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy KTA token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.